Alright guys, TRP. I have a video coming out tonight. And here's what I've been doing lately, other than the video that's coming out. I have a possibility of doing a video once a week, possibly. But school is starting, so that may change. Not sure yet. This is the Murray, because my shifter screws on. That's a bolt right there, just cut off, so I can screw that on and off and switch it out when I want. Here's a little cutout piece right here for my battery, which is actually that Viewcraft right there, or Valuecraft. It's a brand new battery. It's actually brand new. It's still got a warranty. I got it for free from my cousin. But front bumper, yeah, these are crappy welds. These are my first, like, I don't know, 20 welds maybe, not even. These good ones are my brother's. Crappy ones are mine. More of mine. More of no grinded welds. No grinded. No grinded. No grinded. No grinded. Just, it's got a 2-inch lift kit, I believe. 1.5, 2 inches. My ugly cutout piece with my ugly exhaust. With some more ugly stuff, with another ugly hole where my old steering used to be, which looks like this. That's not gonna go back on there. Clutch works, yeah, you can see the exhaust is flipped on that side. That was my bad. But I decided to make a video on my new dash that I have been building past like 5 days. This is a actual model. I have a replica in the garage that is already done, but it's ugly and too wide, so I decided to make another one. Clean, grinded welds, ready for the bending of that, then welding this piece on the end of it to make it flat, then that one, then I think 2 more support bars, I believe. Here's the other one, my brother leaving stuff out. Right here, two side panels, they go on here. Again, this is a replica. Goes on there, something like that, around there, like that, somewhere. It goes on there like that, so you got that. Then that one goes on there. Then the old cuts right there. Then the old one. Never weld stainless steel or aluminum with steel, because you get welds that rip straight through like that. And they also bleed through. I just did not feel like using this because the welds were not cleaned up. Wasn't welded good. Didn't have any good painting on it. And the only good part was these were on here bolted. That's the only good part. And that was just a replica. And I just decided after that thing ripped off, I just gotta make a new one. So here's my new one, and I can see that it's crooked right here. So I need to cut that straight. Let me use chop saw probably. I use that thing right there to cut it with. I forget what they're called. But 18 horse. All my wiring, well, 2 wires. The kill switch wires. Then the starter wires are down there, the pink ones. I got the hole drilled. I gotta paint this. I just sweated on the camera. My sweat dripped right on it. Alrighty, I'll be back when I'm done. Or close to it. More to come. Alrighty guys. I waited a little while at the beginning, so it kind of like when I put in special effects it fades out. But here's the finished product. Well, still gotta bend it off real quick. Come on now. Yeah, break off. Alright, that's finished quality, I believe. Hopefully. I gotta hurry up before it gets dark. Okay, that is a perfecto right here. Now I'm gonna grind down the edges a little bit, and I'll be back after I bend it. More time in a sec. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna show you how I bend this metal. I've already bent it partially a little bit to get it to where I can get it started. I'm gonna try to attempt to stick you guys right here. I am getting hopefully a tripod and possibly a GoPro of some sort by Christmas time, around there. Little mallet light. Stubborn. Now all I'm going to do is just push down a little bit so it stays. I'm gonna have to. Oh, seems how y'all guys can't see, really. I'm going to have to make another one of these because it's not gonna fit. Which really sucks because this is a lot of diamond plating. And it is not cheap. Got a gap there, but when you do it like that, it's got a gap back there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to redo that. Which sucks. bucks. But yeah, I'm gonna weld the little 2.5 inch piece of tubing on there and show you that. Then yeah, I'm gonna head in the house. But I also have to put, I might just put one. Nah, I'll just do 2. I'm gonna put 2 support beams in the middle, like this one here and one there, but it's gonna be up a little bit further. I think. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. Put one there. One there. And yeah. So yeah, I'll show you all that. What do I call this? Eleven and a half, 12 and a quarter, 12. I have no clue. 11 and a half. What did I say? And 12 and a half. Got to remake these, make them bigger. And we'll have a dash. Peace out, guys. I'm going inside. Audio.
You won't find the Sleep Number better than ordinary mattress. Only us Sleep Numbers do are. We're cool mattresses that are Sleep Number. Comfort individualized.
400 Sleep Number stores nationwide, including 7 in Tampa Bay. For your store, visit